Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we're purchasing. We're in Jefferson Parish on the West Bank in Gretna. So this is the first time I've seen the house actually. The seller had reached out to us looking to sell. He was out of state investor who bought this house. And I think they're looking to flip it or sell it, but they're out of state and they just couldn't really deal with it. They're worried about the house getting broken into. You'll notice like a mattress here happens. It's a vacant property, right? So people will move in. They got like the keep out and they got the house boarded up, but people still find a way in. But you know, we love Gretna. We love the West Bank in general. We have a lot of rentals here. We also flip here, so you know we definitely don't mind fixing up a house like this. I'll show you around in a second. Interesting story. I mean, we do this actually often for out-of-state investors. So he actually lives in Virginia, so couldn't really show us a property, right? So we were able to figure out a number. So we don't generally have to see the property to give you a firm number if you know the information. Like if you speak to someone in our office, our own generally will speak to you. And if she asks a bunch of questions, that how old the roof is, you know, when the last time the kitchen was updated, a whole bunch of questions, right? And when we do that, we know how much things cost, you know, and we obviously look up the sales in the area, so we can figure out a value when it's fixed up. We can figure out what it's going to cost to fix it up, and that's going to allow us to make an offer without seeing the property. And we did that and we agreed on a price. But once we see, we obviously before we close, we do just put our eyes on it to make sure everything that you said is correct, right? So that's what we're doing now. But because he lives out of state, it's hard to actually get us a key. So we have a little thing we learned that is really helpful. Home Depot has this thing called Key Hero, and it's a kiosk where you can save your key. So we use it for our rental properties. We save our keys so that it's a digital copy. If anyone's locked out, you can just make another copy. You can share that to someone as well. So we were using it, and I realized it was actually a really helpful thing for out-of-state investors like the seller here, because he just want to come just to give us a key, you know. So he went to Home Depot in his state. He's in Virginia, and he went to Home Depot there, made a digital copy of the key, and then he shared it with us. And then we just went to Home Depot and cut a copy. So just something interesting. We found that really easy to work. So I'm checking out the property now. It's pretty much as he described. You know, it's definitely very dated. You know, these wooden floors aren't too bad, but you know, the rest is all dated. The power's not on too, so it means we need to bring up to code. Sorry, I don't have my torch on me. But bathroom's very old. There's cigarette butts in the thing there. You know, panel walls. So you know, yeah, it's definitely very far from being ready to sell to a homeowner. You know, look at the kitchen. So it's gonna need a full update. Panels, I'm probably gonna have to gut it, to be honest with you, which is fine. That's what we do. We do this stuff. So yeah. So it's a two bedroom, one bath, both beds back here. It's not a shotgun, so to say, but it does, you know, share an entry into the bedrooms, which is obviously common around here. So you know, yeah, super. It's gonna need a full rehab. I mean, the house isn't falling down, which is great, but it's very dated. So you know, we're really gonna have to do, you know, yeah, I think gonna have to gut it with these panels. So probably gut it, put up new sheetrock, paint it, floors, you know, new kitchen, new bathroom, update it. And then we can either sell it to a homeowner who wants to move in, or you know, this is not a bad rental area, so we might rent it as well. So this is what we do. We buy properties like this. You know, if your house is beautiful and nicely fixed up, then we're not your buyers. You want to sell it to a realtor, to a homeowner. That's what you want to do. But if your house is like this and it's just not ready for a homeowner, needs renovations, and if you don't want to do the renovations yourself, then we're happy to buy it and do it. You know, we pay a fair cash price, so we probably get stuff done a lot cheaper than you. In fact, I know unless you're really in the industry, like it's gonna be a lot cheaper for us to be able to fix up this property. So you know, the price they pay you is generally a pretty good price for the condition. And a lot of buyers just love, a lot of sellers, sorry, just love selling it as is. It makes it really easy. We're good buyers. We don't make you fix anything up. We're happy to take on the problems because that's what we do. We fix those problems. So if you have a house like that, reach out to us. Go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com, and we'd love to chat. You know, yeah, if you know enough information about the house, we can make you a cash offer then and there, and that'll be a firm offer. So reach out. We'd love to speak. Thanks so much.